This here is a 24-hour segment timer. I'll turn it over to show you the model number. There it is there. It is quite old. It's purely mechanical. Now, each segment is 15 minutes. Now when it's up, the unit is completely off. Let me just demonstrate that. There's no light coming out of here. Now I'm going to set the time. Let's just say I set it to 12 o'clock midday. There it is there. So now I want to turn it on at 5 o'clock and turn it off at 9 o'clock. So you go around to 5. On this one it's a 24-hour clock, so you put it on 1700 hours. So you click that down and you keep clicking down until you get to 2100 hours, which is 9 o'clock. As you can see, there's a light there that will come on when it gets to 5 o'clock. So let me just slowly move it around. As you move it around, it clicks on. There it is there. Don't worry about it flashing. That's because of the strobing effect of the video. So that is now on, and it'll be on until 9 o'clock, and then it will click off. There it is. It clicks off there. And that's that light off. Now that light indicates whether there's power here or not. So when there's no light there, there's no power there. Now you can of course make many adjustments, so you could have it on for 1 hour, off for 1 hour, on for 1 hour, off for 1 hour. There's no limit other than the 15 minutes limit that you can have going around. So you can have it going off and on many times. Now if you want to bypass the timer, it's quite simple. You simply push this up and that will bypass it. As you can see, the light is now on. Push it down and it's off, or in timer mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.